how to withdraw money from Chime. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So just open up your Chime application. After that, you will be able to find the option of move money at the bottom. Just simply select it, and after that you just have to select the option of transfer from other banks. After that, in case if you have not linked your bank account, then it will ask you to link your external account. So just click on the option of link your external account, click on continue, then search for the external account that you are looking for where you want to withdraw the money. Just search it in the search bar, and after that enter the credentials like your user ID and password. After that, you would require to verify your identity. Just verify your identity using your phone number or your email. After that, your account details will be listed over here. Select whether you want to withdraw to checking account or savings account and click on continue. And this way your bank account would be linked, and just click on continue in order to accept the terms and conditions. After that, just confirm the terms and conditions. Then just select Chime as the sender and your bank account as the recipient. Then enter the amount that you want to transfer and click on transfer. After that, you would just have to confirm the transfer, check whether everything is correct, and just confirm the transfer, and that's how you withdraw money from Chime. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.